Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hard poached eggs, step by step. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. Fresh eggs are key for a beautiful shape. You'll need a medium-sized saucepan, a fine mesh sieve, and a small amount of white vinegar. Preparing your eggs by straining them through a sieve helps achieve those perfectly compact whites. Fill your saucepan with about 3 to 4 inches of water, ready for the next step. Achieving the right water temperature is crucial for perfect hard poached eggs. Bring your water to a gentle simmer, aiming for a temperature between 180 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. You should see small bubbles but no rolling boil. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, ensuring they stay together without imparting a strong flavor. Remember, do not add salt to the poaching water. Now for the poaching. Gently crack each egg into a small bowl. If you like, create a gentle whirlpool in the simmering water with a spoon. This helps the egg white wrap around the yolk for a rounder shape. Carefully slide 1 egg at a time into the center of the whirlpool. Cook each egg for 5 to 7 minutes to achieve a firm white and a beautifully set, creamy yolk. Do not overcrowd the pot. Once your eggs have cooked for 5 to 7 minutes, they are ready. Use a slotted spoon to carefully lift each hard poached egg from the water. Gently place them on a paper towel-lined plate to blot away any excess water. This ensures they aren't watery when served. Your perfectly hard poached eggs are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately on warm toast, over a fresh salad, or as a delightful addition to your favorite breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.